Good day, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're looking at this brand new 13-whaler Super Sport. This is such an awesome boat, I'll tell you. They sure ride amazing compared to what they did when we were kids. This boat has a Bimini top. It's done with the custom gray on the side and white and gel coat. It has the dash upgrade on it and a windshield. Also has the Teak package, which gives it that nice classic look to it. 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. It is on a trailer. And I'll tell you what, when you look at these boats today compared to what they were back in the day, they sure are awesome, fun to drive, very safe, hard to beat a Boston whaler with its unsinkability. All right, for more information, please feel free to call me, Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.